I'll show you the hidden exchange that most Revolut users don't even know exists, exposing how you can move your trading to Revolut X to get 0% maker fees on over 250 different tokens. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Most people use the Crypto tab in their standard Revolut app because it's convenient, but that convenience comes with a hidden cost, high spreads, and fair usage fees. In 2026, Revolut launched Revolut X, a professional-grade standalone exchange. It's available for UK and EEA users, and it has recently expanded into international markets like Brazil and Mexico. Though your main Revolut balance and your Revolut X balance are unified, you can move money between them instantly with zero transfer fees. The 0% fee is the most important part. Revolut X uses a maker-taker fee model. The 0.09% taker fee happens when you place a market order to buy or sell instantly. To put that in perspective, the standard Revolut app usually charges you between 1.99% and 2.99%. By just moving to Revolut X, you're already cutting your fees by over 10 to 20 times, even if you don't use a limit order. You are taking liquidity from the book, but at a fraction of the usual cost. The 0% maker fee happens when you place a limit order. You are making the market by adding an order to the book that hasn't been filled yet. To pay zero fees using a workaround, you must use limit orders. Instead of clicking Buy Now, select Limit. Set your price just a few cents below the current market price. Once the market hits your price, the trade executes and your fee is exactly $0. To set up your trading desk, open a web browser and go to exchange.revolut.com or download the standalone Revolut X app. Use your existing Revolut credentials. This uses Smart ID, so you'll just get a biometric prompt on your phone to authorize the login. Tap on the wallet icon. Select Deposit and choose your fiat currency, like GBP, Euro, or USD. You can move your funds from your retail account to your trading account instantly. Revolut X isn't just about low fees, it's about better tools. You can now set take profit and stop loss orders simultaneously. This is a new essential for managing risk while you sleep. You can earn up to 7.1% APY on Solana or 3.6% on Ethereum directly through the Revolut X interface, and they pass 100% of the on-chain rewards to you. Move your funds to Revolut X, use limit orders, and keep 100% of your gains. So what's the first coin you're going to trade with 0% fees? Let me know in the comments. I'm currently watching the Solana ecosystem closely. Click this card for a curation of our best crypto video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.